I'm outside in the storm. Sorry, Dad. I'm filming. It's gonna rain hard. I'll just do it from my window. Buster, do you like it? Buster, come over here and like. Buster, over here. Buster, do you not like the storm? Do you not like the storm? It's my dad's room. Whoa, that is crazy. I'm gonna do it from my room. Okay guys, so the rain is coming. It looks like a bright, shiny day. When you look down here, not very bright, as you can see. I'm gonna turn off my light so you can see better. 1 second. Okay. Now you guys should be able to see the darkness. Look at the darkness. Look at that storm. I mean, okay, this is gonna be my video. Amazing, right? I know. Holy cow. Well, I'll be posting another video later. Once the rain really starts coming and is lightning. So, hope you guys enjoyed this part 1. Goodbye.